Made for me, you were made for me, you were made for me, you were.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. If you guys are new, my name is Mike. So today we are with Sage and where did Brayden go? There he is. Okay, Brayden's here too. So you guys have been asking me where the Evo is, and I kind of have some explaining to do. I will show you guys the Evo right now. Well, it's covered, but this is Ariana. We're here where she's stored, and the reason why I'm not driving her is she doesn't have a hood right now. If you guys remember, I got the carbon fiber hood from Japan, which is currently being cleared, and I took all the carbon pieces off. So there was like a radiator cooling plate, the spark plug cover here, or the coil packs rather. There's just a random bracket here for the intake manifold and stuff like that. Just a lot of it's missing, so I'm choosing not to drive it right now since it kind of looks like a part out. I did get a new wing for the car so I can drive it temporarily, but as you guys can tell, that didn't work out because I ended up selling the original hood. But this is like an OEM style wing. It's carbon fiber as well, but I will not be running this since I'm going to be replacing the trunk with the carbon fiber trunk. So this is kind of why the Evo is just kind of sitting here. It hasn't even been started. I think it's open actually. Yeah, I don't even lock my car.
Probably should now that you mentioned that.
Yeah, there's like just nuts and bolts there from the inside. No, you see it's dead. Like, yeah, she's gonna need a boost, boys. Yep, so that's the Evo, guys. It's still here. I'm not selling it. Oh, you guys haven't seen it with the TEs yet. Yeah, it's super dirty, despite it having a diaper on it. But yeah, you guys haven't seen it with the TEs yet.
No, not in person.
What do you guys think? I've been thinking about putting tire stickers on again.
Dude, I don't see what the problem is with steel. It's just, you're good. You don't have to worry about them. They look mid.
I've been thinking about running tire stickers again, I just had like bad luck with it last time, but I'll try it again since it makes the car look a lot better and I don't really drive this car as much. Since I'm getting a new car, which you guys should be seeing in probably 2 to 3 weeks once it arrives. But yeah, guys, this is the Evo. Okay, so we're gonna try and get the thumbnail. We're gonna push Ariana out here. Again, the car is dead, so we can't really start it, but I feel like this is a terrible idea. This thing, if there's a car here, we're fucked because it's gonna take us more than a hot minute to push her back in. I thought I was gonna go like a lot worse. I usually try to park the car really close to the wall so that Mitsubishi doesn't hit my Mitsubishi. Hopefully the next video I'll be able to take this out because we're just waiting on the carbon trunk to get out of the paint shop for clearing. Because I did clear coat it, but it's taking longer than expected. It was taking like a week and a half, so hopefully next video will be out, but that's the update on the Evo, guys. Alright, so one little thing I like doing is when wiper blades or like wiper arms are like these are off Brayden's Integra, then they're kind of like faded and like the paint's wearing out. I like just putting a fresh coat of black paint because it makes the car look that much better, and I hate seeing cars with these at car meet, so I went ahead, took these off for Brayden, gonna spray it back and it's gonna look brand new. And honestly, I'm just using like leftover caliper paint that we used on some of the imports that we got, and yeah, we're just gonna use this paint on the wiper arms to look mint and brand new. Alright, so this is the Integra. We just painted the black wiper arms and they look okay. Although we did have a little bit of like, what do you call it?
Texturino.
Yeah, some textured finish on here, but it does add some character.
Stylistic choice, really.
Yeah, just we meant to do that. But it does look better because at least from a distance it's like black and the car looks actually pretty good. So we're just heading out to go to another car meet tonight, but I have a couple minutes, so I just want to kind of update you guys with the S2000. We did get new taillights. These are AP1s. We did have AP2s that we traded for AP1s because it turns out that we have to cut like the, I don't know what it's called, but I guess like the headlight housing or something like that. That's part of the car. So we didn't want to do that. We just put the AP1s. They look okay, although I think the AP2s look better, but I'd rather not cut a car that we're planning to sell later on. We also did install the exhaust, and I'll put a clip of us putting it on right now. Today we are installing the new exhaust on the S2000 because it did come with an ARK or ARC exhaust. This one's the stock one. I couldn't film the whole thing because I was at work, but as you guys can see, this is the new aftermarket exhaust that we're putting on here. My dad already pretty much did all the bolts all the way down there, so now we just got to put on the other two here. Alright, so this is the end piece, ARK exhaust. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know if it's ARC or ARK, but this exhaust did come with the car, and it does have baffles, kind of like Kevin's exhaust. So the S2000 has like the mid pipe installed, so it doesn't have like the tips or the mufflers in. So I'm going to give you guys to Zach, and Zach is going to film how the S2000 sounds without any exhaust or anything. So this is kind of like a throwback to my first exhaust install on the Evo. So this is kind of like the same thing. I think these are the same rims that the Evo was on. Dude, it's fucking loud, man. The sound on idle isn't that bad, but when you rev it, it's kind of just like a...
Doesn't sound bad, dude. No.
Yeah, honestly, it doesn't sound bad at all. Like, in my opinion, it sounds a little bit trumpety, kind of like a 350, but it's not bad. I would still prefer the mufflers though. I feel like with the mufflers, it's gonna refine the sound a lot more. Alright, so now that we have the full exhaust already installed, I'm gonna hand you guys, not to Zach, but to Josh.
Oh, hi.
Okay, so it does have the baffle in it, so it's kind of windy, but... I think it sounds pretty good. We also worked on taking off the front bumper, and we did order new headlights as well that we will be replacing since these are kind of janked up and cracked and probably won't pass a Manitoba safety. But we do have the AP2 bumper at the back. It is color matched now to the body of the car, which is like a midnight purple. It's actually not bad. I'm not a huge fan of like purple, but it doesn't look too bad. We figured out what was wrong with the roof. I thought it was just like all S2000s roofs leak, but apparently they're not supposed to, obviously. But when we took this one apart, there was like a rubber gasket around the soft top that was missing. So we ordered a new gasket. We're gonna put that in, make sure that it doesn't leak anymore, and we're gonna fix like the small rust hole right there where it is leaking, and we're gonna take it to a proper body shop, get it all welded up, bondoed, or whatever they're gonna do to fix it up properly, and then the car should be all good to go. So today's whip to the car meet, it is unrestricted Empire again, but we are taking the Civic, the OG Civic, the first gen Civic. We're gonna be taking this to the car meet, and I'll show you some cars that catch my eye. Okay, so me and the guys are at Unrestricted Empire, and we found this bag Civic. It actually looks really, really dope. I actually really like that, like when it's underneath, like, how do I say, the floor, I guess? The floor of the trunk, and you can see the compressors and all the light. Actually looks really...
Quarter-inch pipes too.
Are those, I'm not on air.
Oh, they're bigger.
They're bigger? Is that better?
Pipes, fast. You can air on faster.
Oh, okay.
That's really all it is.
Then air? Dang.
It is.
Damn, man, that looks pretty sick. This car is actually a good friend of mine. His name's Hayden. I really like his fitment. Definitely Ariana was gonna have to work on her fitment because Ariana's fitment is super, super weak, as you guys probably saw it earlier in the video, but this actually looks really good, especially for a wagon. Like, damn, tight. Well, that's tight for me. I think it looks really good. Oh god.
lift up the...
This is my seat tonight, boys.
No, see,
As-
if you put it like this, it kind of looks like.
No, it's not, because look, it's just a mat.
So get your little body in that hole.
Sir, not on YouTube, sir. So Sage has a backrest. Braden deleted his rear seats, so he only put this one in, but now there's 4 people in the 3-seater Integra.
Dude, you got some low. Oh, dude, I'm definitely good. Screwed.
Yep,
Definitely good.
in it. Wow, dude, wow! Just fucking roast me, bro. Okay, so I put on my Instagram asking you guys how you guys feel about if I were to put underglow on the Evo. I am not down for it, although a lot of you guys were. It was pretty close to 50-50, but that's just not my thing. Sage, would you put underglow on the Evo?
All I'm saying is if you guys want to see underglow on the Evo, make sure to buy my premium Snapchat at Rise Above Media on Instagram. Okay, I got you. All right, we're gonna make it happen.
It's not real. No.
Premium Snapchat.
Alright, so I'm just editing the video you guys are currently watching right now. That night was a super fun night. Hopefully my Evo will be out soon. I feel like I say that in every video, but like I said earlier in this video, the carbon is not on the car. It's currently being cleared. That usually helps the carbon fiber gel coat from separating, and it makes it UV protectant so the carbon lasts longer and it doesn't fade over time in the sun. I really don't want to see that carbon get ruined by the sun. I don't know what's going to be done first, the Evo or my new car that's coming from Japan. So we are expecting one more car from Japan. I'm not too sure if we're going to be ordering more in the near future, but definitely later on we will be ordering more. Probably just not anytime soon. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and join the Annie Perfect Society. Peace out and make it happen.